In this video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of Axis Atlas credit card. Axis Atlas credit cards comes in this black box. Let's open this. Inside you will find this box, Axis Bank Atlas. Atlas is primarily for Edge Miles. You can redeem this Edge Miles for booking airline tickets. This is how it looks. Let's open this. Here you can see that explore unconditionally. And there is a information on how to activate this credit card. I will make separate videos on how to activate it. These are some of the benefits of using the Atlas credit card. 5 miles for rupees 100 on airline and hotel spends, and 2 miles per 100 on other spends. And here you can see the joining fees, rupees 5000, annual fee 5000. Here on the card you can see that they are given on how to activate the credit card. Let's feel this. It's a plastic credit card, not metal like Magnus. Here your name will be printed. It is a Visa signature credit card. The backside of the credit card looks like this. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Axis Atlas credit card. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.